Okay, hi mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And today we're going to do the cooking with Tulindoy and Tulinday. And our recipe for today is
Binagoongan.
pork binagoongan.
Pork binagoongan.
Ala Mr. De La Cruz, because yung binagoongan ko na gusto is different from the binagoongan that he likes. So, stay tuned, keep on watching, and
Subscribe.
let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's talk about the ingredients. So, what we have is yung garlic, sibuyas, onions, tomatoes, then chili, green and red. Ito yung pang sinigang, yung mahaba. And then pork, what we're using for today is pork belly and ribs, but it's up to you. Hindi ko na siya hiniwa ulit, pinahiwa ko lang, but you can make it smaller if you want to, but I like my binagoongan chunky. And for veggies, I only have talong or brinjal, but you can use other things too, and you can add whatever veggies you want. And then, here we have the other ingredients. Is cooking oil, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, bagoong. This is from Barrio Fiesta, and pepper and salt. That's it. Okie dokes. Okay, so let's heat again yung wok. And then put yung oil. Okay, for different Filipinos, they cook different ways of the binagoongan. Let's put the garlic. Then, pag medyo brown na siya, I'll put half of the chili just because gusto ko na mapunta yung flavor din sa oil. So, siguro half lang yung chili, not all. You can also use seasoning the bouillon if you want to. Gusto ko yung nakakain din chili. Siguro let's put some garlic. Parang fried na yun. And then, kung golden brown na yung garlic, let's put the onions. I have red onions and white onions. Kasi depende na lang kung mahilig kayo sa onion. Then wait until maging transparent siya and ito malambot. And then, if the onions is already like half cooked, you can put our meat. Okay, because I want to, parang i-render until brown. Tapos lalabas yung mantika niya. So, don't fry it. Render lang until maging brown. Then, put some pepper. Don't add any so pepper. Then, also, asin. That's all. Then, let it render siguro for about, 10 minutes. Huwag niyo siyang gagawin. Okay. So, medyo na-render na siya. Pero hindi natin siya luto. Medyo okay na. Medyo nag-brown na yung ribs. Pero mas gusto ko pang nag-brown yung lienzo. Para lang siyang fried but not fried. So, iwan pa natin siya for another 5 minutes. Brown na siya. Hindi lang siya. So, nag-render na. So, next is lagyan natin yung kamatis, the tomatoes. The tomatoes and the remaining chickens. Then cover para maluto yung kamatis. So at this point, pwede na rin natin siyang lagyan ng suka para maluto siya. So, mahilig ako sa suka. So, lalagyan ko siya ng maraming suka. Then, just cover. Because, hayaan lang natin siya. Maybe for another 15 minutes. Okay, so pag kumukulo na siya, remove the cover. And then, we need to reduce yung sauce. So, just leave it uncovered for siguro another 15 minutes.
Kari-kari gulay kaya gulay lang.
Yes.
Masarap na hindi na. Kasi sarsa na lang.
Okay, so once na malapit na siyang matuyo, how do you say it in English? put the bagoong.
Ha?
Bakit?
Sige, tingnan mo muna. Gano'n mo muna.
It's up to you kung gaano karaming shrimp ratio mo. Since luto na yung bagoong natin, so wala na siyang lansa-lansa.
Ganyan may sauce. Parang kilikili mo yung sauce.
Alam mo nakabubukan. Hindi ko i-edit yun. Yan, si Mr. De La Cruz magaling lang niya magbibigay ng comment, pero hindi naman siya nagluluto. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit cooking with Tulindoy yung Tulinday. So, dahil nakukulangan ako sa bagoong, ilalagay ko na lahat. Huwag kang kumontra, ako yung nagluluto. Tapos mag-aahin na si Mr. De La Cruz kasi gutom na siya. Tapos, yung gulay, pwede nyo siyang i-boil sa water or isasama nyo dito. Dahil tamad ako, isasama ko siya dito. Pero, hayaan ko muna itong kumulo. Ulit. Okay? Okay, so once na kumukulo na siya, it's actually ready to serve. But if you want na medyo mas tuyo or drier, so pabayaan nyo lang siyang mag-simmer for another 15 minutes. But mahilig kasi ako sa sauce. So, hindi siya magiging tuyo. Then, I'll put the talong na or any veggies that you want. And then I'll cover para maluto yung talong. And then, ready to serve. 5 minutes. Yay! Finally! Tapos na ako magluto. And here is the finished product. Asawa! Wala ka, paano ba? Hindi ko siya makita. Ayan siya. Kukunin ko na lang siya ng video later. Game. Mr. Tulindoy, you know what to do.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.
Okay, lagi niyo nakakalimutan. Till our next video, let us know kung ano yung gusto niyong lutuin namin ulit. And please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!